What do you plan to do if this dream of yours doesn't work out?
That doesn't even enter my consciousness.
So TGB has done it again. Right now, I am standing in a neighborhood that 9 of our TGB students have just purchased lots in. Understand the significance in that. These are first-time home builders, no prior real estate experience, no prior construction experience, but they move forward in their build journey by purchasing their first lot. And over the next few months, they are going to be home builders. They're going to build homes, they're going to sell them, and they're going to start creating a legacy and generational wealth for themselves.
My name is Steven, and this is my first lot.
Hi, my name is Honani, and this is my first lot.
Hi, I'm Nicole, and this is my first lot.
My name is Evans, this is my first lot.
Hi, my name is Charnetta, and this is my first lot.
Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Lolly, and this is my first lot. My name is DeAndre Armstrong, and this is my first lot.
Hi, I'm Shanyera, and this is my first lot.
Hi, my name is Joy, and this is my first lot.
So your corner lot right here, next to the fire hydrant, so that's your lot. Where these stakes are outlines your actual lot width. No sidewalks are required, so you guys have a culvert, which benefits you guys who are on these corner lots because you don't have to account for, you have to account for setbacks, but you don't have to account for sidewalks.
Hi everyone, my name is Diamond Hickey. I'm a realtor within the TGB community, and I helped secure 9 lots in Italy, Texas. We're currently out here right now with the 9 students, showing them their lots. I cannot wait to see these builds come to life. They will be building 9 beautiful homes.
So prior to building, I am still a full-time engineer, but also I do hold my loan officer's license.
I worked in a financial agency, but I am since retired.
I was a tax accountant, so I did state and local taxes for corporations. Retired veteran entrepreneur. Since then, I own 2 rental properties in my hometown.
I was in banking for over 17 years. I'm currently a Texas realtor, and I'm a tax practitioner.
I decided to join TGB because of the community and all the resources that they provide, and it just looked like it was an awesome place to learn and grow.
I looked around for a company that had the knowledge, the expertise, and actually had the testimonies of people that have done it. And TGB answered and checked all those boxes, and I'm so happy that I made that choice.
Because it's a community, it's a family. I love the way that the instruction goes over the 16 weeks. Everything's in person, you can ask questions. It's very thorough, you can review everything on your own time as well, and it's really hands-on. Having all that right in front of you, all of that knowledge really helps out the entire process.
Because my husband told me to. But for real, once I did the research, I saw the value that the community brought, all the resources and everything that my husband and I were looking for.
This is the benefit of joining the #1 residential new construction program in the entire United States of America. Not only do we give you the value in the education, but we also provide value by giving you opportunity. It's not just about building houses, it's about building a legacy, creating a business that produces houses that you can do for years and years to come, things that you can leave to your kids, your family, so that you can create a legacy. This is TGB, this is what we do. Come join us, get in the build game, and go from dirt to done.